Hi boys and girls, this is Mr. Bray and I'm making this video to show you how to complete your second grade Google Slide practice. So as you can see on the board, this is what you will see when you open up your assignment. To begin, we are going to have to put our first name. So what we need to do first is click at the end of this line and drag towards first name till you get to the end of the line. Once you're there, you stop and then you go to put your first name. So for me, my first name is Chris. In order to make this C, you need to hold the Shift key and hit the C at the same time. Once you write the capital C, or whatever the capital letter you have, you then let go and write the rest of your name. Same thing for last name. Click at the end of the line, drag, and then you can start with Shift and the first letter of your last name. Hold them at the same time, let go, and you can finish your name. You will do this for first name, last name, color, subject, and food. As you can see here, I made an example of what yours should look like. In this case, I used Peter Wilson, whose favorite color is yellow. Obviously, his favorite subject is technology, and his favorite food is pizza. For my favorite animal, I chose to do a mountain lion. Let me show you how to get a picture into your slide. You want to go to the picture icon where it says Insert Image. You will click Insert Image and then search the web. This will let you search the internet for the picture you would like. So now you can search for any animal you would like. This time I will look for a whale. I hit whale, then I can scroll through and find the picture that I like the best. So let's take this picture. It looks cool. I'm going to click it. After I click, you will then see Insert. I will then click Insert. Now, the picture does not go where we want the picture. So we will click and drag the picture over. We want to cover the gray box. We don't want to see the gray box because that's there for a placeholder. To stretch this out, you can use these corner squares to bring it in or bring it out. And then you can click the middle ones to make it taller or shorter. So now I am covering the box and my picture is done. So this is how you will go through and complete your Google Slide practice. Good luck and reach out if you have any questions. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.